Another common call I get is when the customer leaves the hose on all winter long, and it's one of these here, and it literally rots on inside the threads. You can't get it off, so they end up breaking the hose. The only way to get this off is by this guy here. You want to cut down nice and easy. You know, you get your little get a little groove in there, and then you get a screwdriver and you break it open on both sides. You don't want to damage the threads. And here we're just going to unscrew this. We're going to put on a new cap there, a new handle, and that'll be it. This way they don't have to replace the whole spigot there. Okay, so that's it. When you get these things stuck on, be careful when you try to take them off with a wrench, because you could do damage to. So you want to just cut it, pry it off, and go easy. That's it, and we're good to go. That's it, it's finished. Had to get a new cap, but we're not going to have to change it out, and then they save.